Hi, good evening, students. So I'm going to wait one more minute, then I'll start the class. Ask your friends to join. Hi, good evening. So is my screen visible? I hope all you people are fine. Okay, shall we start? Yes, Kiruba, very good evening. Okay, fine. So last session we have discussed about bank reconciliation. What is bank reconciliation and what are the reasons? And then what is the format? Okay. And for bank reconciliation, we need some transactions. We have recorded all the transactions, right? Now we'll continue from there. Okay. See, we have recorded all these transactions. After recording all these, this is statement called as a record slip. What is a record slip? Record slip is nothing but it records all the checks issued and received, with whom we have issued, with whom we have received, to whom we have issued. Okay, everything it will record. It is nothing but check register. Record slip is nothing but check register. Okay, fine. See, I'll explain you what is there in this. See, we have recorded some sales, some purchase, some expenses. Okay, and this is the check number. Okay, received on 2nd July from Raman Lab. Under deposits, we have considered. Now, what is our bank balance? Say Canara Bank is our bank. Okay, we need to create Canara Bank. Understood, huh? Right? So after recording this transaction, our bank balance should be 42,000. Right? See, we don't have a balance. Even though we are issuing the check 1 lakh 58,800, 20,000, and again we have received check rupees 40,000, and this check is cancelled. Okay, no need to record this one. And Bhumi Sands advance vendor, we paid advance to Bhumi Sands. It means we have issued the check and we have issued for 45,000, for 1 lakh 20, for 41,300. Okay. First, we need to create Canara Bank account, and then we need to record all these transactions. Okay. See, all check issued transactions we have record under F5. All deposits we have to record under F6. F5 represents payment voucher. F6 refers receipt voucher. Okay. See, no need to create all these ledgers. Already we have created. Understood? But only one ledger we need to create. This Bhumi Sands. This Bhumi Sands we need to create. Why? Because this is the new one we have to issue for advance. Understood? Okay. We need to create only for Bhumi Sands here. Okay. Fine. Now we'll record the transactions one by one. Okay. Yes. See, you can observe. I'll tell you how to record and how to consider the dates and how to consider check number, where we need to mention the check number in your workplace also. If your management is providing you like statements, okay, you need to mention the check numbers while recording the payment entry, while recording the receipt entry. Okay. For bank reconciliation, check number is important. We should not forget to mention check number. Understood? Right? Swapnali Chikmane is asking, please explain once again. So which one you want to explain? Can you please tell me? Record slip you want to explain again? Okay, fine. Yeah. See, what is record slip? Record slip is nothing but check register. To whom you have issued the checks, you have to prepare a list. With whom you have received the check, you have to prepare a list. Okay. Check number, check date, in the favor of whom, and check amount, deposits, balance. Okay. No need to prepare the balance. No need to calculate it. You can ignore it. Understood? Okay. All the check issued, you should record under payment voucher. All the check deposits means all the received checks you should record under receipt voucher. For preparation of bank reconciliation, check number is mandatory. Okay. If your management is providing you a register like this, okay, you need to mention check number while recording the payment voucher and while recording the receipt voucher. How to mention? Where we need to mention the check numbers. Okay, now we are going to discuss one by one. Understood? Fine. So for this, now we are going to create one Canara Bank account. Okay, this we are going to create. See, yesterday we have created a company which is bank reconciliation statement, right? In the same company, okay, you can observe in the gateway of Tally, the companies showing you in a bold. Okay. It means this is our company. Understood? Now we are going to create the bank account. For this, we should go to create, go to ledger. What is the bank account? Canara Bank. Under bank account. Okay. Account number, for example, IFSC code CNRB. Swift, no need. Bank name, you can select Canara Bank. Okay. Branch, you can take. That is enough. Yes. Successfully, we have created the bank account. Understood? Now we are going to vouchers for recording the entry. I'll go to vouchers. This is the payment voucher. Okay. But in our register, which one is the first one? Receipts. This is under deposits. They have mentioned 42,000, which we have received. Okay. Check number 762525. 2nd July, we have received. Okay. Yes. 2nd July, we received a check from Raman Lab. Under F6, we need to record. So I'll select F6. Okay. It is asking first credit one. Credit one is Raman Lab. How much is the amount? Actually, see, while recording the transactions, okay, your mind should be sharp. Understood? So in this window only, you can understand the closing balance of your debtors or creditors or any ledger. Understood? What is the opening balance of Raman Lab? See, 1,26,000 we need to receive from Raman Lab. In this, now we are receiving 42,000. After receiving this from 1,26,000, how much is the remaining amount? 84,000 is the remaining amount. So you will get this balance in this place after considering 42,000. See, you should think like this. Okay, you have to observe each and every point in the tally while recording the entry. I will show you. 42,000. Now I am typing. After typing this, see, it is asking the against reference. Through what, for what bill you are receiving this amount. So we have two bills. One is 42,000, another one is 84,000. Understood? Now we received a check for this bill. That's why we have to take against reference. See now, what is the balance? 84,000. It is showing. Understood? While recording only, you will get to know what is the closing balance, how much remaining amount we have to receive from Raman Lab. You will understood. No need to go to another reports to cross check how much we need to receive from Raman Lab. Okay, like this, you need to think, you need to observe. Okay, still we didn't change the date. Now I'm going to change the date. That is 2nd July. Okay, debit it is asking that is Canara Bank. Understood? Okay, this is the first entry. That's why it is showing you Canara Bank debit amount 42,000. Now, see, this is your banking details. Here it is asking through check or DD, are you going to receive? Check or DD, anyone you can select. That is defaultly you will get this. Do enter. Instrument number. Instrument number means check number you need to mention. What is the check number? 762525. 762525. Instrument date 2nd July. Bank name It's okay. No need to provide. Why? Because your bank is Canara Bank only. Okay. Narration we need to mention the amount received through check. Simple, finished. Accept the entry, finished. Okay. Like this, one by one, we need to record. Now we'll record the second entry. 31st July. We issued a check for Ram Gopal, rupees 1 lakh. Check number 565123. Understood? Ah? Okay, Chetan is asking a doubt. In Chetan system, date is not coming. See, if your system is educational mode, some dates are not working. Understood? Huh? Mine is licensed version. That's why all the dates are work. Okay, so don't worry. Understood? In your workplace, you can consider the date. For practice, you can follow any date. Understood? 1st of April, 1st of May, 1st July, it will work. 2nd July, it will not work. Understood? Okay, fine. So now I'll select the payment entry. Okay. I'll select the date first, 31st July 25. It is asking Ram Gopal. So actually we need to pay 3,36,900. In this now we are paying 1 lakh. After paying 1 lakh, what is the remaining balance? 2,36,900. You can cross check. I'll take 1 lakh now. See, against reference it is asking again. Okay. So first bill, it is showing you 2,10,900. For this, now we are making the payment 1 lakh. See, after making 1 lakh, after considering 1 lakh, the current balance is showing you 2,36,900. Okay. We are paid through check so that I'm selecting Canara Bank. See, Canara Bank negative figure it's showing 58,000. Why? Because we don't have a fund. Okay, we'll wait. Some transactions are there. Don't worry. So again, it is asking the check. So instrument number it is asking. Instrument number is 565123. 565123. Being check issued for Ram Gopal. Understood? Yes. Now, one more entry. Check number 565124. Date is 1st August. We are issuing the check to Strong Aggregates. Value rupees 58,800. Okay. Yes. Change the date. 31st August 2025. Party is Strong Aggregates. Value is 58,800 against reference. See, look at first bill we purchased goods for 58,800. For this, now we are making the payment. Understood? Yes. This is called as bill-wise accounting. Someone is asking in the last session how to maintain the bill-wise accounting. This is the way how we are maintaining the bill-wise. So we are issuing the check so that I'm taking Canara Bank. Still, it is showing you negative figure. That's why it's showing you red color. Don't worry. Okay. What is the check number? 565124. Accept the window. Understood? Now we'll see the next entry. 565125 is the check number. Date is 1st August. New Gen Consulting 20,000. So strong aggregates 58,800. Date is 1st August. Okay. We have considered what is the date? 31st August. No, this is 1st August. So 565125 check number, 1st August, New Gen Consulting, rupees 20,000. New Gen Consulting, amount is 20,000 against reference. Okay. Amount is 27,140, but we are paying 20,000. Open this, select the Canara Bank. Okay. And we need to mention the check number, select the date. See, narration. The last voucher narration I want to repeat for this. I cannot type each and every time. So I want to copy from the previous entry narration. How to get previous entry narration for the current entry? What is the shortcut key? How to get that? Shortcut key is Control R. Shortcut key is Control plus R. What is Control R? So it will give you previous entry narration. Okay. It will copy previous entry narration and it will give you here. Understood? Huh? So I will show you now. I will use Control R here. Okay. Hmm. So now I will come to narration box. Now I'm in the narration box. Simple. I will not type anything. Just I will use Control R. See, being check issued for Ram Gopal is there. Instead of Ram Gopal, you can take New Gen Consulting. Simple. Understood? Huh? What is the shortcut key? Control R. Copy and paste previous narration. Accept the window. Yes. Next entry. Now, again, we received check from the Raman Lab, rupees 40,000. Okay. Check number 762610. Date is 31st August. 31st August. So we have to select F6. This is Raman Lab. 40,000 I'm going to receive. See how much we need to receive actually 84, but we are receiving 40. What is the remaining balance? 44,000 against reference. So for this bill, okay, instrument number 762, we'll check once again. 762610. Okay. So if you do Control R here, okay, being amount received through check. So F6, what is the previous narration that you will get? Instead of typing, you can use Control R. Understood? Instead of typing, you can use Control R. Okay, to accept the window. Next, check cancel. For this, no need to record any entry. Understood? Now we need to record an entry for Bhumi Sands 50,000. This is advance. Okay. For this, we need to create one ledger. Bhumi Sands. Bhumi, we are paying advance, right? Bhumi Sands come under which head? Creditors. Accept the window simply. Okay. Now come to the voucher Let's cross check the entry again. 31st October 565127. Amount is 50,000. Payment voucher, Bhumi Sands, account debit 50,000. Okay. See, I did a mistake. What mistake I did? Did you observe? Anyone? Can you tell me? Did you observe? Ah, I'll tell you what is the mistake. See, I have created Bhumi Sands, right? So now tell me under which head it will come. Now I am paying advance. Now I am paying advance. Rupees 50,000. Understood? Okay. Now I will pay. So I will consider payment voucher. Understood? Okay. If Bhumi Sands is not providing the supply, then I should get back this amount, right? It means this is receivable. Receivable means under which head we need to consider Bhumi Sands and the advances. We need to consider under advances. Under asset side, there is advances. Under advances, we need to consider Bhumi Sands. But by mistake only, I considered under sundry creditors. Now I need to change this without going back, without going to tally. In this voucher only, I need to change the head. Instead of sundry creditor, I need to select this head. Any idea how to do this? What is the shortcut key? Hmm. So without going back, without going to gateway of tally, instead of going to alter, here only I need to change. In this page only I need to change. So what is the shortcut key? Kiruba is saying that prepaid expenses. No, this is not expenses. Okay, this is advance. Hmm. So now cursor is on Bhumi Sense. Here you should use Control Enter. What is the shortcut key? Control Enter. Control plus Enter. This is the shortcut key for edit the ledger or alter the ledger. Edit or alter the ledger. Understood? If you are in a balance sheet, if you want to edit, you can use this. If you are in P&L account, if you want to edit the ledger, you have to use this. If you are in some place, okay, if you want to edit, you can use this shortcut key to edit the ledger. Understood? What is the shortcut key? Control Enter. Control Enter. See, now I am in Bhumi Sands place. Now I need to use Control Enter. See, what is the heading? Ledger alteration. It is opened as ledger alteration. Come down, you can select loans and advances. See, under assets, this is the proper head. Okay. Now do Control A. Understood? Okay. On account. Canara Bank. What is the check number? Check number is 565127. 565127. Controller. Being check issued for Bhumi Sands for advance. Simple. Understood? Next, we'll check next entry. We are issuing the check perfect services. Rupees 45,000. 31st December. Bhumi sends 31st October. We didn't change the date. We'll change the date now. 31st October. Okay. And next, 565128. 31st December. Perfect service. 45,000. Okay. We'll change the date first. 31st December. Okay. Part is perfect services. Amount is 40,000. Okay. This is the bill. Against this bill, I'm paying 40 only. Canara Bank. What is the check number? 565128. 565128. Right? Yes. Next entry. Now again we are issuing the check for rupees 1,20,000 for Ram Gopal. First 31st January. Change the date. 31st January 26. Ram Gopal. Rupees 1,20,000 we are paying. 1,20,000, yeah? Yes, 1,20,000. So 1,20,000 we paid. 1,10,900 adjusted for this. Remaining 9,100 adjusted to 1,26,000. We need to mention that now. Okay. Again, it is asking against reference. This one 9,100 automatically it is taking. So you should do control. Sorry, you should do enter. Check number is 565129. Okay. Yes. One more entry. 565130 check number. Date is 1st March. Current security force. Amount is 41,300. 31st 326. Current security force. 41,300. Against a reference. This is the bill. Canara Bank. 41,300. 565130. Okay. Come to the. Now we have recorded all the based on record slip or check registered. Okay. Now we'll bring bank statement from the bank. Understood? So this is the bank statement. Okay. So what is the bank balance? 31st March, 1,39,307. Okay. But we'll cross check our tally. Come here. How to check bank balance? Go to balance sheet. Go to current assets. Go to bank accounts. Go to Canara Bank. See, it is showing you negative figure. Do Alt F to select the entire period, 1st of April 25, 31st of 3, 2026. Okay. So how much is the bank balance? It is showing you under credit side, closing balance is 3,48,000. Is this correct or wrong? See, bank balance always it has to show under debit side, not credit side. Okay, it has to show this side, not this side. Understood? If it is showing you under credit side, it means it is negative figure. Understood? Right? Yeah. Now we need to record some transactions which is management is not provided. we have to get to know from bank statement. Understood? So we'll compare what are the entries are recorded, what are the entries are recorded. Okay. Only missing entries we need to record. Hmm. Now, so we'll do tick mark what entries is recorded. Okay. Hmm. Come to tally. See, under debit side in bank account, it has to show in credit side. Okay. So 40 to 40 is recorded. See, 42,000 is recorded and 40,000 is recorded. So remaining the amounts are not recorded. Now we need to record this. Understood? Now we need to record this. See, check deposited Rajesh. Check deposited Krishna. Rupees 2 lakh, 2 lakh. Who are Rajesh and Krishna? They are the partners. These are the owners. Okay, we can consider as capital. They are introduced to bank account. Understood? For this, we need to record one receipt entry. Date 2nd April. Okay, come. How to record an entry? See, now I am in this banking transaction window. Now I need to record an entry for this Canara Bank account without going back, without going to gateway of tally, without selecting vouchers. Here only I need to select the entry. Means I need to record the entry. So how to select a voucher without going back? What is the shortcut key? See, all the shortcut keys I will send you from tomorrow onwards. Okay. But if you want to note down class by class, you can note down. Then only you will keep in your mind. Okay. So you should use Alt plus A. Okay. Alt plus A used for select a voucher. Understood? Instead of going back in this window only, you can select vouchers for recording an entry. For that, you have to use shortcut key Alt A. Okay. Yes. Hmm. I'll select Alt A. See, voucher window is opened. Okay. Now I'll select receipt voucher and we need to create ledger accounts. Create option here only it is there. You can select create. Okay. Rajesh Capital under capital account. Control A. How much is the amount? 2 lakh. Before this, we need to change the date. 2nd of April, 2 lakh. Again, we need to change it to credit. We need to create the ledger Krishna capital under capital account. Do control A, 2 lakh. Now debit entry. The amount has to reflect it in Canara Bank. That's why I'm taking 4 lakh. So check number you can cross check not applicable. It means there is no check. Okay. Just do enter. Simple. Understood? See now 4 lakh is coming here. 42 lakh, 4 lakh. Understood? Now 2 lakh, 2 lakh 42, 40 is reflected. 1 lakh is not reflected. See, next online transfer done by Mines and Lab Private Limited. This entry now we are going to record the entry. Same shortcut key, Alt A. Okay. Mines Lab Private Limited. Amount is 1 lakh. Okay. Against reference, this is and remaining amount adjusted for next bill. Canara Bank instrument is not applicable. So record the entry like this. And next, two entries are there. One is bank interest, another one is same bank interest credited. Okay. For this, we need to select an entry, Alt A. Okay. What is the date for Raman Lab? Mines Lab, 31st August. This 1 lakh is okay. So that I'm taking properly. Fine. Bank interest received 2nd November. We need to create a ledger which is bank interest. Under indirect income, control A. How much is the amount? 5652, I think. Yes, 5652. We received to Canara Bank. Control A. Simple. And same entry we need to record, but amount we need to change. And the date is also changed. 6,220. Date is 31st March. Okay. So you can copy the entry. What is the shortcut for copy the entry now? You can copy entry also. You can copy entry also. For that shortcut keys, Alt plus 2. Okay. Which 2? At function is there, no? This 2 you have to use. Okay. Not in the number pad. Okay. Which is showing the at symbol. On top of that symbol, it's showing you 2, no? This 2 you have to use. Okay. This is used for copy the entry. Entry also you can copy, okay? But you have to change the date and change the amount. Understood? Huh? Yes. Hmm. Now I want to copy this selected entry. For this, I'm using Alt 2. Okay. See, entry is opened. I need to change the date 31st 3/26 and I need to change the amount. That's it. No need to change the ledger and all. 6220. Entry is correct. Okay. Understood? Now see, it is showing you here. Just we have copied the entry. Understood? 1 minute. Attendance. Sure, you will get attendance. Just wait. By the time 8:30, you will get the attendance. Hmm. See, we have recorded all the credit items. Okay. Now we need to record all the debit items, and then we have to cross check bank balance with our tally balance. Okay. Yeah. Hmm. In debit side, we need to record only the missing transactions. Okay. Hmm. See, we should not record already recorded transactions. What are the already recorded transactions? Come to tally. See, 1 lakh is recorded, 58 is recorded, 20 is recorded. Come, 1 lakh is recorded, 58 recorded, 20,000 recorded. But ATM withdrawn. This entry is not recorded. Now we need to record this entry. So cash is withdrawn by ATM. What is the entry we need to record for this? Any idea? So what is the shortcut key to add a voucher? Alt A. Which voucher do we need to select for recording a cash withdrawal entry? Contra voucher. Okay. How much is the amount? 25,000. Cash account debit to bank account. Okay. Yes. Now, four entries is recorded. Okay. 50,000 is recorded. Come to this. Hmm. Before 5365 is there, which is bank charges. Understood? Which is bank charges. We need to create a ledger here. Okay. Alt A. Here we need to create the. See, we didn't consider the date for contra 25,000. 1st August only we have recorded. 2nd August. Okay, I'll change the date. Okay. And next I need to record payment voucher and which is bank charges. Date is 31st October. I need to change the date. Bank charges we need to create under indirect expenses. Amount is 365 deducted by Canara Bank. Accept the window. Okay. And next, 50,000 is recorded. 45 is also recorded. Bank charges again, 400. We need to record. So here I'm going to copy the entry and the date is 31st December. So I'll copy this entry. For this, what is the shortcut key? Alt 2. Okay. Date is 31st December and amount is 400. Okay. Yes. Now you are getting this. I copied. Okay. Yeah. Now 1 lakh 20, 41, 300. 1 lakh 20 is recorded and ATM withdrawn 35,000 is not recorded. 2nd Feb, we are going to record this. Now again, I'm copying the entry. This. What is the shortcut key? Alt 2. I need to change the date. 2nd Feb. How much is the amount? 35,000. See, one is 25,000, another one is 35,000. Okay. Now come back to gateway of tally. Now we have recorded all the entries. Okay. Now your management is asking you to prepare a bank reconciliation statement. Now in your hand, this is bank statement. Okay. Now in your hand, there is a bank statement and the amount is 1,39,307 bank balance. Now we'll check bank balance for Tally. Come to balance sheet, go to current assets, go to bank account, Canara Bank. See how much is the bank balance? 1,03,007. Yes, Alt 2 is the shortcut key to copy the entry. Correct. Swapnali check money. Correct. Hmm. See what is balance for bank? Balance for bank is bank balance as per bank statement rupees 1,39,000 something is there. We'll check 1,39,307. Okay, 1,39,307. Now bank balance as per tally. How much is the amount? Rupees. See this one. We should consider this one. Okay, 1,03,007. 1,03,007. Hmm. Think one more entry we missed. We need to record. Just give me a second. I will cross check. We'll cross check the I'll cross check whether we have recorded all the entries or not. We have recorded 365 and we have recorded 400, 5652, 6220 also we have recorded. 4240. Okay, all the entries we have recorded. 5652, 6220, 365 and 400. 58, 800. Give me a minute. I'm cross checking. Um, ATM withdrawal 2035 and 25, 1 lakh 25, 58, 800. Perfect service 45,000. Mhm, mhm. Hmm. So there is a mistake in the perfect services while recording the entry. So I'm just taking 45,000. Actually, perfect services, it's showing you 45,000 here. You can cross check. Okay. So we need to take 45,000 here. You can do enter. You can just change the amount 45,000. Okay. Yes. There is a doubt. 1 minute. 2 lakh by Rajesh. The first entry is missing. Kiruba. Okay. See, you can cross check here. Rajesh Capital and Krishna Capital. The total 4 lakh we have recorded. So this is not the mistake, just typing mistake from the perfect services. Before I have considered 40, but actually it is 45,000. Okay. Yes. Now I have considered. Okay, I'll explain you now. Hmm. Is my screen visible? Yes. Okay, Kirba, thank you. See, bank balance as per bank rupees 1,39,307. Bank balance as per tally, which is rupees 98,007. Is both matched? No, not matched. See, 1,39,307 as per bank. This is bank statement. Okay, right? As per tally, how much is your bank balance? See, 98,007 it is showing. Okay. Now there is a difference. Now there is a difference. It is not matching. Okay. How much is the difference? Difference is rupees 41,300. Okay. Now you need to prepare BRS. Now you need to prepare BRS. Understood? Okay. How to prepare BRS now? So how what is this 41,300? Why difference came? I'll explain you now. You can cross check now here. So why this for 41,300 difference came? Hmm. See, this is record slip, right? This is about record slip. This is about record slip, no? See, you have issued check for Kiran Security Force. You have issued check 565130 1st March. You issued the check to Kiran Security Force. What is the amount? 41,300. Kiran is received check from you, but he is not a deposited bank. Understood? Still, check is within Kiran hands only. He is not deposited. After 1 month, so you can check. See, you can cross check this statement. There is no 41,300 here. There is no 41,300. This is the receipts. This is the receipts. This is the receipts. Okay. This is the payments. Under payment, see, 41,300 is not there. 31st March, you have issued 1st March. You have issued 1st March. Even after 1 month also, he didn't deposited. That's why your bank balance shows 1,39,307. Understood? If he deposited, then in this 1,39,307, 41,300 is deducted, then it will match with 98,007 as per your tally. Now you need to prepare BRS, you need to convey the same message to your management. Understood? Now I will explain how to prepare BRS. Okay. So this is your banking window. So here you need to use the shortcut key for bank reconciliation. What is the shortcut key for bank reconciliation? Alt R, Alt plus R. This is the key for bank reconciliation. Understood? You should use Alt R for bank reconciliation statement. Hmm. Now I'll use Alt R. See now this is bank reconciliation window. What is there? Balance as per company books. First heading. Company means our cash book. Cash book means tally. Okay. In tally, bank balance it's showing you 98,007. And next line, unreconciled transactions from 1st April 25 to till date. So reconciliation is not done. Now we are going to doing that reconciliation. Understood? You need to do enter. Okay, this is the reconciliation window. This is the reconciliation window. Okay, this is the reconciliation window, right? See, from this window in the right side menu panel, you have to use Alt R for reconciliation. Understood? Huh? So now you need to match all the figures which is recorded, which is reflected in bank, which is not reflected in bank. Understood? Huh? So 4 lakh is reflected. Yes, it is reflected in the bank. That's why it is asking bank date. Okay. Come to the statement. So 2 lakh, 2 lakh, 4 lakh is reflected. What date? 2nd April. Then you need to mention here 2nd April. Do enter. Now see, come down, come down. You can observe here balance as per company books 98,007. Expected bank balance 31st March 26. Now it is going to reflected 4 lakh rupees. Okay. Now 42 is there. You have to cross check. Yes, 42 is there. Date is 31st July. Okay. You need to mention 31st July. See now, what is your bank balance? 4 lakh 42. You can cross check. 4 lakh 42 here. Understood? Now, 1 lakh is reflected. Bank date is 2nd August. 1 lakh is the 2nd August. What is the bank balance? 3 lakh 42. Come to 3 lakh 42. Now 25,000, 2nd August. 25,000. This one is the 25,000, 2nd August. Do enter. And then 58,800, 20,000 is also matched. 25,000, 58,800, 20,000. 31st August, 31st August. 31st August, 31st August. Okay. What is your bank balance? 2 lakh 38 200 after 25,000. Come to the 2 lakh 38 200. Okay. Then mine slab, you received 1 lakh. Date is 31st August. Date is 31st August. And this 40,000 is also reflected. Date you should consider 31st August. Okay. And 50,000 is also matched. You can just cross check. See, 50,000 is there here. Okay. Date is 2nd November. Bhumi Sands. Understood? Bhumi Sands. Check number is also mentioned here. 31st August. Okay. Next, 365 is also matched. See, 365, 31st August, 31st October, sorry. Okay. Next, 5652 is also matched. 5652, 2nd November. Okay. Next, 45,000 is matched. Perfect services. 45,000 perfect services, 2nd Jan. Yes, it is matched. Date you can consider. Okay. Next, 400 is also matched. Yes, 400, 31st December. 31st December. Okay. 1,20,000. 1,20,000 is there. 2nd Feb. Yes. Next, 35,000. You can just cross check 35,000. Yes, 35,000 is 2nd Feb. Next, 41,000 is not reflected. That's why you should not put the date here. Come down. 6,220. Yes, 6,220 is 31st March. See, like this, you need to put the dates. So, which one is not matched? What is the difference? For that, you should not put the date. Understood? And then accept the window. Hmm. This one is not accepted, right? Now you can use alter again. See, now from this window, you need to export to Excel for preparation of bank reconciliation. See in the down, you can observe in the down balance as per company books, how much? 98,007. Balance as per bank 1,39,307. And this is the difference which is not reflected in your bank. In Tally, it is showing you like this, but you need to convey your management by preparing bank reconciliation statement. Understood? Okay. Now we need to export this one to Excel. How to export? What is the shortcut key for export? Control plus E is the export. Shortcut key for export. Okay. For export. See, you can export for Excel. You can export as PDF. You can export as JPEG format. Understood? But now we have to prepare with the standard format. Okay. For that, we need to export and we need to prefer Excel. What is the shortcut key? Control E. Control E is the shortcut key. Now I'll use Control E. So before exporting, you have to read what is there here. Format report condensed. Condensed means which is compressed. Okay. Find out what is from Chetan Gupta. Control E. Yes, correct. Control E. Control is the shortcut. Yes, correct. And file format Excel. Correct. Export to local drive. Folder path. See. Program files. Tally prime. See. you cannot open from this path. Okay, easily you will not get. For that, you need to create a separate folder for this. Okay, for example, I'll go to desktop. Okay, this is my desktop. I'll create a new folder. Okay, called as BRS. Okay, I'll select the path. So how to select a path? Okay, so you can just click in between. Okay, in the middle. See, it is selected a path. You can just copy Control C. Okay, you can do escape. Okay, and then go to your tally, right? Go to configure. You need to change the folder path, right? Come here, select specify path, Control V, paste the path, do enter, change the file name. I want to change it as BRS. I want to change it as BRS. I don't want tally. I want BRS. Okay. Do enter. Do escape. Now you can use export. See, folder path, desktop, BRS. File name is BRS. Now you can do export. Just wait. It is exporting. The Excel file is opening. Just wait. See, so this is exported to Excel. If you are submitted this data to your management, okay, they will not accept. They will reject it. Understood? Why they will reject? Say, yesterday I have given you one format, right? So how it will be? Okay. So what is the format? Swapnali Chikmane. Sir, please, how to export to Excel? Okay, fine. I'll show you again. Okay. See, this is the window. Not only this, any page, any window, balance sheet, P&L, anything you can export. Understood? What is the shortcut key? Shortcut key is Control E. Shortcut key is Control plus E. You have to use this. Understood? Okay. Now I will use Control E for export. Control E, I'll use. Now Tally is asking the file name, the location is correct or not correct. If you are agreed, yes, it is correct, please export. If you say, then you should select export. Excel file automatically will open. Understood? Yes, this is the way how we are going to explain. See, for me, Excel is automatically opened. This is the file is exported. Understood? But you should not submit this file to your management. I will tell you how to prepare in a standard format and then you need to submit. I will tell you. See, what is the format yesterday we have discussed? Particulars, amount, balance, as per cash book, how much 98,007. And we need to add the reason. We need to specify here. Check issued to Kiran Security Force, but not deposited. Okay. Check number. What is the check number? Check number is 56130. You can go to Tally also. You will get to know here. Check number is 565310. 565130. Next, check amount 41,300 and check date means when we issued. We have issued 1st March. See, you will get the date here. 1st March. Current Security Force, you have issued check. So the amount is 41,300. We have to add, right? 41,300. Then only you will get one figure, balance as per bank, which is 1,39,307. This one and this one you should add, you will get this figure. Understood? So in this format only, you need to prepare. Okay. Now I will show you in Excel as quick as early as possible how to prepare this. Okay. We can just see now. Okay. So here I'm going to, so here I'm preparing the table now. Okay. So two columns I need, right? So this one and this one. So I'll expand this as much as possible. Up to here, I want enough. And this is also enough. Now I'll say this particulars. Okay. And this is amount. Okay. Heading is bank reconciliation statement. Okay. You can bold and you can underline. Okay. This one also you can bold and you can underline. Okay. Now balance as per cash book. Amount 9807. No need to type manually. You can take use equal symbol. Select. See 98007 is here. Do enter. Simple. Okay. Then you should take add. One doubt. Just make a minute. Chetan is asking, sir, while exporting, why it didn't came in proper format? Okay. See, why? Because this is based on Tally, right? Tally is giving you in this format. Okay. But we should not follow this format. We have to follow the values only. Understood? Huh? Yeah. Check issued to Kiran Security Force, but not deposited bank. Okay. And then, so here you need to mention check number 565130. Check date and check amount 41,300. So you can bold this and underline. Okay. And here you should select equal and select 41,300. Okay. Now you can take here balance as per passbook. equal sum, open bracket, select the first one, select the second one. Now 1,39,307. You can bold. Okay. You can select. You can put the borders. Okay. Like this, you need to prepare the format. Now you can select and you can use Control P. Just wait. So you can select print selection. See, now you can observe how it is looking. So you can export as a PDF. Okay, you can submit to your management. Now you can see how beautiful it is. Okay, in this way, you need to prepare and you need to save and you need to submit to your management. Understood? Huh? Yes, one doubt. Then while printing, will it come proper? No. How it will come? No. See, if you are taking Control P, if you are taking Control P, see it is giving you in this format. See, in this format it is giving. This format will not accepted by your management. They will not understand it properly. So this is as same as in Tally window, no? So that's why you need to prepare in a attracted way. Understood? So how you need to make with a format? So like this, you need to prepare with a format. Okay. And then do Control P and then come here, select print selection. See, now you can print and you can submit to your management. Understood? Yes. Okay. Come to Tally. Okay. So you should keep this window as it is. Do escape. Simple. Understood? This is about your BRS. Now tell me. Any doubt, please? Well, BRS, can you please ask doubts? So this is the way how we are going to prepare BRS and how we are going to submit. See this file already I have sent you. Please do practice BRS. Now understood, right? How to do BRS. You can do practice. Please practice. Then only you will keep in your mind. Otherwise, you will forget. Okay. So attendance link you will get. Just wait. Okay. So already I have sent the same notes. So again, I'm going to send today. Okay. Please download and please do practice. Okay. So I'm sending now the same file I'm sending now. See, tomorrow there is no class. Okay. Tomorrow I'll prepare all the notes as PDF and all the shortcut keys I'll prepare. Okay. I will send you by end of tomorrow or Friday first off, you will get all the PDF note, whatever we have discussed up to now. Okay. Yes. Yes, I have sent the notes. Ashish Ranjan. Okay, you will get attendance link one. Don't worry. Say for so attendance link. Oppo. Okay, sir. Yes, Oppo. Thank you. See in group chat again today I will send the notes. Please do practice for next 2 days. See all theory and practical everything. I'll prepare notes and then I'll send it you by first of Friday. So Swapnali Chikmane, thank you. Thank you. See in group also have sent for BRS notes, means for practice invoices, the entries. Please download and please do practice for BRS. See, this is very, very important concept. In your workplace, if you are an accountant, definitely they will ask you to prepare BRS on daily basis or weekly basis or monthly basis. Definitely you will get this work in your workplace. Please keep in your this mind. Yes, all of you get the notes. Did you download? Please do practice. Kiruba. Thank you. Thank you so much, Muskan. In LMS portal dashboard, I'm not getting Tally course information. Something other course is coming. What to do? So don't worry. So I'll upload the notes, whatever we have discussed up to today. Okay, then you will get. Otherwise, you need to discuss with your management. 180 Harika. Sir, notes PDF. Sure, I will send ma. Thank you, Harika. Thank you. Is any doubt in BRS? Please ask. I'll wait 5 more minutes. Oppo, sir, the notes which you will send, should we need to write in a notebook or we should take printout? That is your wish. So based on your convenience, if you want to write down, you can write down, or if you want to take printout, you can take printout. Okay. So if you write, it will be stick on in your mind. Otherwise, we will forget. Okay, thank you, Oppo. See, in banking option also, we can able to prepare BRS. So in Gateway of Tally, you can select banking, okay, and then go to banking activity. See here, you will get bank reconciliation window again. Okay, you can do enter. You will get the bank reconciliation page here. Understood? Yes. See, if you want to record any missing entry here, so you can use the shortcut key F7. You can use the shortcut key F7. You can use F7 to record an entry here for bank. Understood? Yes, please update this one to your notes. Enjoy your year end and advance Happy New Year. Kirba. Happy New Year. Aditya. Happy New Year, man. Vishal. Happy New Year. Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you. And I wish you the same. I'll pray your year will be full of joy. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'll wish you the same. Happy New Year. Thank you. And wish you the same. Happy New Year. Thank you, Archana. Happy New Year. I wish you the same. Happy New Year. Very right. Happy New Year. Thank you. Happy New Year. Wish you the same. Akshita, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Wish you the same. Not to worry. Happy New Year. Wish you the same. Happy New Year. Aditya, can we leave now? Yes, man. You can leave. Ria, thank you. And wish you the same. Happy New Year. Enjoy your day. So today I'll conclude the session at 8:55. Please, if you have any doubt, so I'll wait uh, another 4 minutes. Please ask. Take Reshma overall tally PDF. By first of Friday, you will get all tally notes. Thank you, Reshma. Happy New Year. Deepika, you will get. Oh, hi, Emerson. So today I'm leaving early.
Okay, sure. No problem, sir. So we are done,
Oh,
right?
yes, sir. For today,
Yeah.
done.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, and
Thank you,
as
sir.
tomorrow will be the holiday, we'll see you on 2nd Jan.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And Happy New Year, sir.
Yeah, happy new year to you and your family too, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir. Yes.
Thank you, students. See you on 2nd Jan. Happy New Year and enjoy your year ending day.